Hi, everybody makes mistakes in math, but to get better at math, you have to get better at catching your mistakes. I'm going to do this problem, and I'm going to make at least one mistake on purpose. Watch and see if you can spot it. I'm Tammy. I'm a retired math teacher, but these days I do math for coffee. I'm going to start here with this 3 times 2. 6 plus 6 plus 12 divided by 2. Add the 6 and the 6. And we get 12 plus 12 divided by 2. Add the two 12s together, you get a 24 divided by 2, and that equals 12, which is not correct because I didn't follow the order of operations. I did okay at the beginning, but I made mistakes as I went along. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, and division, but you do those in order from left to right, how they come up in the problem. And then adding and subtracting in order from left to right. Okay, so I started out okay. The multiplication would have been the first thing to do because I have no parentheses or exponents here. But then this is where I made that mistake. Instead of skipping all this adding and going back for the division, I started adding. I did it again right here as well. So let's wipe this off and do it following the order of operations. Like I said, I started out okay. So that line stays the same, but now instead of adding the 6 plus 6, which by the way is a real common mistake, I've seen plenty of people start a problem correctly with order of operations, but then start just moving left to right on the second line. I need to go back here and do this 12 divided by 2 now. So I have 6 plus 6 plus 6, and the correct answer is 18. I bet you had that all along. But just in case you forgot how this works, now you see it. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, do all the things for me if you liked this video. It helps me grow on YouTube. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!